This video shows a full test run of the JT-SLT-1000C slitter rewinder machine. Designed for thermal paper converting and daily industrial production. The machine is equipped with 4-color inline printing, allowing printing and slitting to be completed in one continuous process. During this test run, the printed graphics remain clear, sharp, and consistent across the full web width. As the machine accelerates to running speed, the unwind section maintains stable web tension, ensuring smooth paper flow into the printing and slitting zones. This stability is critical for both print quality and cutting accuracy. In the slitting section, the knives operate with precise alignment, producing clean edges without tearing or dust buildup. Each finished roll is slit to a consistent width, suitable for POS and thermal printing applications. During rewinding, the machine maintains uniform roll density, with even winding from the core to the outer diameter. There is no telescoping, no loose edges, and no deformation during the run. Throughout the entire process, printing, slitting, and rewinding remain synchronized, allowing the machine to operate smoothly and continuously. The JT-SLT-1000C is designed with a focus on operational stability, ease of control, and repeatable production quality. This test run demonstrates the machine's ability to deliver reliable 4-color printing, precise slitting, and consistent winding, making it well suited for day-to-day thermal paper manufacturing.